Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika binti Mustari. My matric number is 01DDT23F1142. So today I will present about PE1 demonstration. So firstly, draw a topology based on figure. I'm using a Cisco packet tracer. So the topology has a one PC, one switch and two router, which is router 0 and router 1. So the IP for PC is 172.16.10.10. For router 0, the IP is 172.16.10.1. While for router 1, the IP is 172.16.20.1. Secondly, enable SNMP server. So for enable SNMP server, I'm using SNMP server community command and then SNMP server community write RW. Third, for configure SNMP, firstly go to PC0 desktop and click on management information base, which is MIB browser. Secondly, add IP address router 1 on address space and click advanced button. Thirdly, click on MIB3 followed by router underscore std MIBS until you find .sysname. After you find .sysname, on operation tab, click get and go button to get the router name appear on result table MIB. So here is the result. The router name has been appeared. Next, SNMP version and the difference of each version. So for the version, we have three versions of SNMP. So the difference is for SNMP version 1, the difference is use plain text community strings for authentication, which is no encryption. Secondly, least secure version. For V2, the difference is improve error handling and efficiency, still use plain text community string and no encryption. For V3, provide message integrity and access control and most suitable for modern network. Next, determine MIB and OID in SNMP. First, MIB, which is Management Information Base. Each device that support SNMP has its own MIB file, which describe what data the device can provide. And MIBs are written using a standard format called Structure of Management Information (SMI). For example, a router's MIB might contain objects for interface speed, IP address, and packet errors. Secondly, OID, which is Object Identifier. OIDs are written as a series of numbers separated by dots. Each number in the OID represents a level in a hierarchy, like folder in a directory. For example, 1.3.6.1.2.1.1.5.0 equals to system name, which is sysname, while 1.3.6.1.2.1.1.3.0 equals to system uptime. Next, for SNMP components, firstly, we have SNMP Manager. It sends requests, get, set to agent to obtain or modify data. It receives response and traps from agents. Secondly, analyze and display network performance and held in a dashboard. Next, for next component, we have SNMP agent. It gathers information from the device. For example, temperature, status, and traffic. It sends data to SNMP Manager open requests using OIDS. It can also send alerts called traps when certain event occurs. Lastly, it is management information base. The MIB is a structured database that defines all the manageable objects in the device. Each object in the MIB is identified by an OID. Without MIB, the manager would not understand what each data value means. So that's all from me for PE1 demonstration. Thank you.